Rwirigiro bwakwa nwithirite wina Jumamosi enthongi kwe tariki 4 mweri yele mwaka wa 2023 ankwateo ni NTETO cia Meru Tv mbeta Purity Muthoni Mutongeria onthiguru Daktari William Samoei Ruto na thite ndwangi mwanya cio minister thirikari neke kweya mbeu mbithiba NYS kanya kambere buru rira bakurita twanya twangwe. Ruto awite ontubo bwekira wiru mbeu mbithiba baingi a Kenya ikenda batonya moritanine ya NYS baiwatira mataro yake muturire na ukiria mugongo.
We want to double the intake of young people joining the National Youth Service from every location in the Republic of Kenya as a mechanism of creating sufficient patriotism and giving opportunity to young people in rural areas who otherwise may not have the means or may not have the opportunity to be able to explore their talent and be able to get the necessary training and skills for them to make useful contribution to the development of our country. I have already had a conversation with the management of the National Youth Service. We have already agreed that the government of Kenya is going to provide agricultural machinery to support NYS agricultural sector for food production, to enhance self-reliance by NYS, and to support national food production as we seek for food self-reliance as a country. In recognition of the admirable role of the National Youth Service in anchoring youth contribution to national socio-economic transformation, and to give comfort to the many young people enrolled and those considering enrollment, I am enhancing the path to the discipline services by directing the Ministry of Defense, Ministry of Energy, Climate Change and Forestry, Ministry of Tourism and Wildlife and Heritage, as well as the Ministry of Interior and National Administration to allocate at least 30% of their vacancies to national youth servicemen and women. This should encourage and motivate many young Kenyans on their path to national service and national productivity. I have also instructed that the task force that is currently undertaking the terms and conditions of service of our policemen and the prisons service members. This morning I have instructed an extension of 2 months be made available for the task force so that that task force can also include the National Youth Service, terms of service and conditions of service to ensure that the service, the National Youth Service, joins the other discipline forces in ensuring that the men and women who serve with dedication and commitment and sacrifice are considered in terms of their employment and terms of service.
Tunashukuru sana NYS. Tunashukuru sana NYS.
Nabo aritwa baskuru Meru University bandamanite nonto bwa Vice Chancellor oskuru eu Professor Romanus Odhiambo kuromwa ngui ya inyume board oskuru eu kuwa Odhiambo na remingo yeke evisi oskuru eu kuringana na ripoti aritwa barienda Odhiambo etikirwo utungata mwanka mweri wa mwanja rira iria bateri kwebela ngui nena kwana kunoka. Adams Muturi wa Thirinja aina sionkuluki.
Uno kore thendene skuru Meru University ntereja ntiro nyuma rito bathukure komba kwithira kigoma gitumi na sababu ni Professor Romanus Odhiambo University nsolo thukure komba kwithira kithamu no kwithira gikwo ruthoro lazima thutha wa keri na muthuri wambite kwithira kimenene seneta wa kaunti ya Meru Kathuri Murungi uribakua no njara yake wambite kwithira kionekana kiri kuthamwa kwa vice chancellor wa thukuru nei.
Comrades, power! Power! Comrades, attention! Attention! We are here today. Yes. We are demonstrating. Yes. We have suspended peace. Yes. Until we see our VC back into the office. Yes. This is number one. Yes.
And I want to point a message to the Honorable Senator, Deputy Speaker Sir, Honorable Kature. Yes. We are unhappy as comrades, we are unpleased, and we are angry at you. We want you to come out clear and withdraw the statement. Kadure went to the media stations and claimed that both the staff and the students are unpleased with the VC. We want to say that that is null and void.
The other day, we heard the senator of this county going out and making noise that comrades have been complaining. We have to go and apologize. No comrade has complained. No comrade has complained. He must apologize. The senator of Meru County, I don't know his name. He must come out clearly and apologize for cheating on behalf of comrades. He is not the SAMU chair. If he wants to be a SAMU representative, he should come, we vote him.
Kurukiari to yombete kwithira bakirana na tongore bari to baskuru araba kwa kinyo yombete kwithira ikura mubukona na gutira bate kumba kwithira kari mathina kumba kwithira kibaromero ntuko.
We have been waiting for SAMU to declare their stand as far as the issue of the VC is concerned. And we are not seeing them paying keen attention to this issue. I hereby want to declare that we are not going to wait for them. And that SAMU council must go with immediate
that the student leaders divided and some have been pocketed to ensure that they sacrifice the innocent comrades. Comrade power. We are not going to allow. We ought not to allow. And we will not allow. We have the student leaders. We won't allow other people, other few individuals.
We have been very peaceful for the last 5 years. But the lecturers have been dancing and making noise around the campus each and every semester. And I want to say some of those lecturers are not attending classes. Their work is to wait when we are approaching cards, when we are approaching exams. They come and begin making noise. They are wasting our time in the campus. We are sending them a warning. Number 3.
Etobankuru kibombeje kwithira bakirana na vice chancellor mwatiri Professor Charity Gichukio urarombera kwithira kithuro kwatila kanya ka Professor Manazo Odhiambo bagiwa batena wetikino na baraba kwenda ni nyuma ntuko mugwanja Professor Manazo Odhiambo mbekwithira gicho kwa thukuru kithira tiubo weto ntu komba kwithira bogita na mbere gire skuru Professor Manazo Odhiambo akada tumbete kwithira gichokwa.
We do not want anything like an acting VC. All we need is power. We need Romanus back. We need Romanus back with immediate effect. As we get into class on Monday, we must see the VC in the office. Failure to wait, we will suspend all classes. And some who also, if they don't want to declare their stand, they have been suspended.
The council, an ultimatum of 2 hours. If they don't come out clear with a verdict of our VC, and if our VC will not have resumed the office in the next 2 hours, we are going to declare that there will be no peace. We are going to demonstrate and we will not promise peace. Comrade power. We want to send a message to the council. They must tell us, VC has been in this institution for only 5 years. And in those 5 years, we have seen a lot. The population of students in the Meru University has increased by 110%. We want to tell the council to come and tell the entire nation that the VC, where he has not performed, the VC has led to infrastructure in the school. He has led to development, research methodologies. He has even bought an ambulance for this institution. Kature, you Murungi, claiming that It is the responsibility of the VC to improve the Njiru market. Shame on you.
Ya kabubotiani kinya kariban Njiru na biashara omba kuthakiringa biashara irurire ibombe ite kwithira kiwatambaro tabana kuona monka Professor Manazo Odhiambo mba kwithira gichokwa orabo wite kuma Professor Manazo Odhiambo kumba kwithira kia thukuru irurira Njiru mbecha kwithira kurabona na kinya to kumba kwithira kiongeleka thukuru
na sisi tumeamua Rumanas as for Rundi hatuusi mboga na kutoka Rumano akuja watoto hawajai strike na hatutaki Meru akue VC kwa hii shule wa Meru waende dunia nyingine, tunataka Wanjaluo
na demokrati wa thoko entero na batu kuma twengero magambo ai kuma VC batu totona thina na biashara tieto tiendelea kama kawaida na rito beto tokara bota sagwa inya nara metae ne bariga baisasagwa na totethina nabo batu toriwa kethira Rumano ata Meru University tote kwenda VC yongena nto owa tuiketie bora manto ya kwenda Kenya.
Tangu VC Magambo aondoke tumekuwa na amani. Hakujai kuwa na demonstration nyingine isipokuwa imekuja siku ya leo, na sisi zote tuna complain that Rumano kama hata rudi hapa Meru University, sisi hatuendelei kufanya kazi hapa, hatuuzi mboga, na hakuna hata mtu mmoja, mama mboga, hakuna mwenye atabaki hapo hata mmoja akiuza.
Umatiane mbechanda msimoturia wa Dhirinja.
Nwesibo munene kuma Marimanti John Mochiri na uretie mbeu mbithi barerete KCSE mwaka muthiru betekerio tonya skuru ciotea no bundi kenda bakaiwatira motea mwanya akiaria kimambura ya motea no ntwire skuru yotea etharaka. Mochiri awete otea kimbeu mbithi ni ontoboka thiria mawenyangia maturene yarayuma na sena mbeu mbithi bara batwikire ithara na nkoloki bakaumba na kindwa yorui no nyui marwa Devin Dagara aina NTETO iji.
Mderere ntuwena na kirairuta batharaka tekene kwa Vocation College araba kuweto ni mambura magokongwera yontwire.
Makira na dili wakudura muhudide ini na damiki koni
mambura mama magete wintongoria mwanya ryo sene chief wa Marimanti location John Mochiri amana MC wa wandi Marimanti Kennedy Kamunyo ntongori ne kithoja kanya kuwa kore na batanto bakomba kwethora bakiongonga na bantu amakuru thai kundi bya kuinaga nyembo taino no tiche komba kwethora ikire tanto bantu amwe
na tukoni bwega intwiro gitu kithi na mbere gutethia mugongo wetu kubathomithia na gitwatithania migongo yonde no ndutwi nyimbo cietu imwe ni mbega cia gukenanira na nando mbe kinyi kundi bira byari twabira bikuinaga batumire kanya kakungana na kuwatana baruthe kundi kiago gya kuinaga nyimbo cia ya ukuyira uzalendo bwega mu Kenya ekengo anto bakomani tanto taga bakegwa batikuga ni undu wakabirana bakegwa bonde baruga tu Kenya na kurukira kiri merera na meturire
kwena events taino ichicho kanagirianto igatemane kana bakaomba ku maintain culture ciago na still ikabateria gucokaniria mantu mago na kenda bomba kwithuganiria bo as a community, as a society probably ku andu mantu mago
keria na barabara kitekera saite na form mwankera kubatombete kwithora bakethino ariko ochiri na borete bebumeire chukuru eno ne kenda bomba kwithora bakenengera mote amakobatethia miaria na kewatambaru ne MC Kamunyo
ana bara bari kire class 8 na baba rekete form 4 batathiete kinya bantu no ari kuna maturani bathukie na kanya kuyaga technical Tharaka Technical and Training College baye barutano otea mwanya nuntu college eno yena into bionde ina machini chonde ina limo tarieto badikali na manyindi betri karibwega kogu mwana oro na ara muchi mwana oro kutiruka na bunda nagerie kuthukia na kanya aya ruthe course ereka mutethia
ibwega mono especially use bombe ku institutions taino kenda bomba wakwa skills irikaomba kubateithia maishani.
Ikagitani wa kwemsi ongerete kuri na batumbi ombethe kwithora bakebungana cukuru ja Kiobundi enda gutigiri bakugwata barwa na gutwika nto bakegunikire mugongo.
Youth particular mtu obene gitarega ni ruza ino baombe ku institutions taino nikana bombe wako ya skills in akenda bomba wetethia bobongwa na in the process tio bakiomba gutethia mugongora mwingi uko nyindi huduma na services ya mudapata uju
twenda twinde through the course ona bikibiki kuthithia tukienda kanya guyithomithia course we na certificate nikengomba gutwika kiguni itura ryaku na kinya uture waku kare bwega.
Reporter Meru TV kuma gĩcigo mbunge kĩa Tharaka kaunti ya Tharaka nĩthirie toka mbĩta Ndagara Waiguna.
Nabo arĩmi ba kĩbĩrĩcia icigo mbunge kĩa Bũrĩ kaunti ya Meru ibeĩte hamwe na kwambĩrĩria ikundi kĩa arĩmi na rĩtwa Kimbo Farmers Association kenda bombo itiankathi kĩa ũrĩmi bwa kĩmera kĩa mbeniko. Arĩmi ba babwethĩtie o ntuko inka yake nyuma ya urimi bwa kimera ke ucokera nyuma ya kura kwa kaita kara ya Gaki Mutegi aina NTETO iji.
Urimi bwa kimera kia beniko kana pairethram kira kia ndawagu gatene na nyuma ni guteyanirwa indi gicokerete kairi na arimi kathomba ntereche kibirichi bandite kimera giki na nkinya kurutha ngwataniro ya arimi ba kimera gikira kumenyekana ta Kimbo Farmers Cooperative.
Ni mwekero kugire tuthomithitie na ndi arimi batura kuria mantu yabyo ya nguvu wa beniko na ndi batu tuli society ya beniko tuciumia ula tukumba nikenda ntubomba ucoko ulimine bu bwa beniko
ti umeria mantu jaja kiriba ubwe no tutwitite musimu jwa mbura kenda butikeja guchererwa imantu jate bukinyirite bubwega mbere aja kwetu kibirichia center kwa society ya beniko itumithitie mbeu na bugachi na kinyana metho na mbeu iu uguri bwa nthiguru wajokethero uguri bwagi uchore buru nikenda komba kwanda
we na revival ene mono yokuria bwa beniko na chena mbechi njega muno pa kilo tontu bo batwe twe Kimbo Farmers twambirite nasari aja kwa society area tukumithia beniko twachoka tukenderia arimi betu nikenda twithura twina cash crop ndene ya Kibirisha ward na extend kinya Kisima ward kweretwo muno kuga ati beniko na ndai cash crop ndene Kibirisha ward tontu twina cash crop wingi.
Gikundi giki nkuruki gikoromba arimi kwibumiria kwa wingi kwanda kimera giki nontu gitikwenda mantu maingi na ikimera kina mbecha na wonjorithia bunene
na mbecha nyingi muno kilo emwe yometwe no kukulira na 2 akamunda ka nusu kwota eka kuona ngirinya mweli ule menyerete bwega kwa umwatara mwaka nyunde mbecha nyingi muno
umenyeri butethera bwene nyana na muno ende kuringana na uria tukarite nthi na ataaramu aja ibakuonania ira itwa pyrethrin kana thumu ira ithere kimbeni kundene ya antu aja kwetu Kibirichia na Kimbo eguru na gwita bwa ntirimitina aria thumu ka pyrethrin ni kwithirwa ri kiwango na kieguru na inyama guri cha yewe na thumu nthongi ndauge nthongi te kuga ne kuria ithumwire kwendekana kenda yumba kuthithia into bira biagiri ne kwendwa kuma 230 240 na iturera wera ku kinya 250 pa kilo kwa kuonania jo imomera jo na mbecha na imomera jo kumba kuonjora muntu
okagitaniga kwiba kuromba minister wa urimi to mithikari nturi gutonyera kaingwa kuria kimera giki na mwena gugitwera thoko embega
mheshimiwa mithikari nturi nontu nago nugwete ngugi ndito muno na Kenya metho jonthe gwa jategete kinya gwe jo tumurike tumbe kwaramia nasari yetu patu twambiritie na twambiritie u itukwaga kainya kaume araramia twina munda jo tigerie na jaora ya chama ni okugwa akiuga o milioni 1 twamienda ende through assessment no endekane mwe na nguruki nontu bwa itangirine na ruji
la tu no ndani munene wetu no angirigacha atuterie kikimera ki unique
agriculture itukwenda a society yeje tuona kinya tukona 1 million tuka promote production yeje embeniko twagwirwa mono na tukagwirwa mono tontore kirauni kireja irwa rira ki mutwe
kuma wandini ya kibiri cha gicigo mbunge kia Bure ngiripotera Meru TV nyokambitaga ki Mutegi
Iboya nonto botegera Meru TV nau iyo twakinya muthia nteto cietu cia thaa 7 muthenya yo ruari endelea kuwatanira batwe ara YouTube Meru Digital, Facebook Meru TV Kenya, website merudigital.co.ke. Mbita Purity Muthoni withire wina weekendi. Imbea.